Hello everyone, I'm Sharvari Dali, Data Science and Business Analytics Intern at the Sparks Foundation. Today our project title is Unsupervised Learning using the iris species dataset. Given the iris flower species dataset, we need to perform KMeans clustering on the set and visualize it. And for that we need Kaggle. So here we go. I've used Kaggle, which is an online data science community with many powerful tools available for data science. Here we open a notebook, import the required libraries for this task. We require NumPy, Pandas for data frame, and Matplotlib to visualize the data. Starting with importing data and printing the first few values by using the head method. If we want to see more values, just enter the number here and run the code. Then if we want to know how many unique species are contained in the dataset, we can just specify the species column and name and use the unique method on it. The unique method gives the unique values of the specified column, and here is an image of those various species showing the sepal and petals. After being familiar with the dataset, we move forward to assign the features like sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width to the features variable x. Here x has all the rows and the columns containing sepal and petal lengths and widths. Now, to visualize our data, we need to first find the number of clusters that can be formed using this dataset. For this purpose, we use the elbow method. We take an empty list to store within clusters sum of squares, that is WCSS. Now we run a for loop starting from 1 to 11. First, the k-means assigns n clusters as 1 and tries to fit the data. Then the resulting value is appended to the WCSS list, and so on up till the 11 numbers. K-means inertia gives the best output of the consecutive runs of the for loop. Then we plot the data. As we can see, the graph attains a stability at some point between 2 and 4. We can choose a number that is closest to these two values, and the number is 3. So we can say that the number of clusters is 3. Moving further, to actually visualize the data, we first create our k-means model. Then we fit predict for better predictions on clusters, the features, and store it in the variable y. Now to plot the data, we use scatter function which takes values x, y, that is the data positions. S is the shape of the circles. C is the color for those circles or dots. And labels is to know which color circle for the dots represent which species. PLT legend is used to display the species name and the color used to represent that species. And so this is how the graph looks. This is how the plot looks, and that's it. Thank you.